Okay, in this video, this is going to be a review of the AODELAN wireless shutter transmitter. This is going to be an unboxing because I just received this one. However, I have used this in the past. I borrowed one from a friend before because I am an amateur storm chaser. I love storms. And I have a Nikon D7200, which is what I use his on. And the thing worked great. I love the fact that I can take pictures with just this remote, because I'll have like a camera tripod set up to take still photos of the storm. Of course, I'm usually trying to do a live stream. I got video cameras going. I'm going to keep track of the radar, all this stuff running back and forth. I don't have time to keep trying to take snapshots. So this works really good. And because this is an RF transmitter, I can be in the car looking at the computers or the radar or something, and all I got to do is just click, 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 and I get my pictures. If this was a infrared, I'd have to be like in a line of sight. So that's one plus to this. I usually not further than about 25 feet from my cameras, so I don't know what the range is, but it works every time. What we'll do is we'll let you read the manual toward the end of the video. Just a few comments about it. It doesn't have to be connected to the hot shoe in order to work. It's you can do I usually do intervals and just a number of pictures. I have it set for I click, it'll take 3 pictures, something like that. Worked well for me. Pretty much everything that I've done with it, and of course you get your connectors, your lanyards, and of course the remote itself. It has a lot of features. I don't use all of them, but what we're going to do is let you read the manual, and you can kind of see what you need to know from here. You just have to pause the video if I change the pages too fast. So yeah, I find this to be a really good item to have. It's definitely worth it. Yeah, at least for me it is anyway. And of course, if you're just taking family photos and stuff like that where you're aiming the camera towards y'all, it'll work perfect for that. At least you're not dodging hailstones while you're doing it. Oh, and it takes AA batteries, 2 in the remote and 2 in the receiver. And you also can trigger more than one camera if you have multiple receivers, which is a nice idea, which I don't have that kind of money to spend on cameras, so there's no danger of me needing that, but it will do that, since it just sends out a radio frequency signal. If you have multiple cameras with receivers, it'll do them all at once. Anyway, I hope that helps you. Y'all have a wonderful day. See ya.